Hello everyone, today I'm going to replace the battery of this Swatch watch. The battery has a plastic cover on it, and this is a Swiss watch. I'm going to use a Swiss pocket knife, and with the tip of the pocket knife I'm just gently trying to take the cover out. And the cover comes out with the battery inside. Here is the tricky part. So how do you get this battery out? I'm going to use this tape. And battery is separated from the cover. Now it's time to put the new battery inside the cover and install it on the watch. And the replacement battery is SR317, SR317, and I'm placing the battery inside the cap and installing it to the watch, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a nice day.